In today's video, I'm sharing something especially helpful for those of you who own Black Kitchen Faucets or are planning to upgrade soon. I've put together a list of the top 3 best Black Kitchen sink faucets available right now, all carefully selected after detailed research on price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and key features. For your convenience, I've added the buying links in the description, so you can quickly check each faucet out on Amazon. I've also ranked them based on usability, performance, and compatibility with Black Kitchen sinks, making it easier for you to choose the perfect fit for your kitchen. Number 1. KCM Pro Black Kitchen Faucet. KCM Pro Black Kitchen Faucets are an excellent choice for homeowners who want premium quality without a premium price. With a matte black finish that prevents fingerprints and water spots, these faucets stay clean and stylish. The pull-down sprayer includes 3 useful modes: stream, spray, and pause, making daily kitchen tasks easier. Made from lead-free stainless steel, these faucets ensure safety and long-lasting performance. The single-handle control provides smooth adjustments for water temperature and pressure. Installation is simple thanks to the included universal deck plate, which fits both single-hole and 3-hole setups. KCM faucets also come with an efficient water-saving aerator, offering strong pressure with reduced water consumption. Overall, KCM Pro brings together modern looks and practical features, a great upgrade for any kitchen. Number 2. WeWe Black Kitchen Faucet. WeWe Black Kitchen Faucets offer a sleek, stylish look with a durable matte black finish that resists fingerprints and watermarks for a consistently clean appearance. These faucets feature a 3-in-1 pull-down sprayer with stream, spray, and pause modes, great for washing, rinsing, and multitasking in the kitchen. Built from high-quality stainless steel and brass, WeWe faucets deliver long-lasting durability. The single-handle design makes flow and temperature adjustment simple and smooth. Installation is easy thanks to their user-friendly setup, compatible with both single-hole and 3-hole sinks. WeWe also focuses on water efficiency, using a built-in aerator that lowers water usage without reducing pressure. Overall, it's a perfect mix of style, functionality, and sustainability. Number 3. Kraus Black Kitchen Faucet. Kraus Black Kitchen Faucets deliver the perfect combination of modern design, functionality, and long-lasting durability. The elegant matte black finish resists fingerprints and water spots, keeping your kitchen looking polished at all times. Built from high-quality brass, Kraus faucets are engineered for premium performance, even in busy kitchens. Many models include a pull-down sprayer for added flexibility while washing dishes or filling pots. The single-handle operation allows precise water temperature control, while the aerated flow helps reduce water usage. With their minimalist, industrial-inspired design, Kraus faucets easily complement a wide range of kitchen styles. Kraus is also known for its eco-friendly, low-flow aerators, ensuring strong performance while conserving water. Overall, it's a top-tier faucet offering style, innovation, and practicality. Thanks for watching. You'll find the buying links in the description below, so feel free to check each faucet out and choose the one that best fits your kitchen style and needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support helps us bring more helpful reviews and DIY guides your way.